How to allow sensitive content on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to allow sensitive content on Twitter. This works both on iPhone and Android. Please watch the video to the end so you get all the steps you need to make this work. Okay, the first thing we want to do is to open our Twitter app. So what I have discovered is that there is no way you can change the sensitive content option inside the app. You can look everywhere. You can look under settings and support, settings and privacy, and the option should be under privacy and safety and under content you can see, but you don't have the option here. But no worries, I have a solution for you. What you want to do is to go to Safari or Google Chrome if you are on Android, and then you want to go to twitter.com. And from here you want to log in to your Twitter account. So let me just log in real quick. So what you want to do here is to go up to your profile icon, or your profile picture up on your top left corner. Click it, and then you want to go down to settings and support, and then you want to go to settings and privacy, and inside here you want to go to privacy and safety, and inside here you want to go to content you see. And as you can see here, we now have the option of display media that may contain sensitive content, and this box you want to tap. So this is basically how you allow sensitive content on Twitter. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will do my very best to answer. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.